Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Chanco and I'm going to make cosplay cooking videos because my two biggest hobbies are cooking and cosplay. So I was thinking, why not combine? So my YouTube channel is going to be some tutorial-like cooking videos, and I'm going to invite guests over in other cosplays to taste and to make it more fun for you guys to watch. So this time I'm going to invite Naruto and I'm going to be Sakura. So I hope you enjoy. Today I'm going to make chocolate truffles for Sasuke-kun! The first thing you need is chocolate, about 230 grams. And it needs to be chopped or whatever into pretty fine pieces. The smaller they are, the easier they melt. When everything is done, you put it in a bowl and then you put it away. Then you need about 250 milliliters of cream, and you heat that up in a small pan. Not too high because it burns easy. And you have to keep stirring this. I hope Sasuke-kun will like my chocolate! Okay, so you keep stirring the cream till it's warm. It does not have to boil because you ruin the cream. And when it's hot, you can put in some liquor or whatever you like. This has almond flavor and I really think that adds to the truffles. But you do that after you turn off the heat. And only a little bit. So the cream is hot now, so you turn off the heat and put some in. And then you gently put it on the chocolate and you stir till everything is dissolved. Because you don't want any lumps in there. So now you just make sure everything melts.
Sakura-chan! Here you are! What are you making?
Go away, Naruto.
Oh my god, that looks really good. Can
Naruto,
I have some?
no! It's for Sasuke-kun.
He doesn't like sweets.
It's not that sweet.
It looks like chocolate.
It's dark chocolate.
Can I try some?
No.
Why not?
It's for Sasuke-kun.
But don't you need someone
No.
to taste it for you?
No. It tastes perfectly fine.
How do you know?
I can cook.
Yeah, I was going to go anyway.
Bye.
Good luck.
Then we have 30 grams of melted butter and we put that in and stir really well. And then it looks like this. And then you actually need to cover it up and let it cool down in the refrigerator for about a few hours or overnight. Then you cover it up and put it in the fridge. There's place in the fridge. Make place in the fridge. Thanks. And then let it cool down. And go do something else.
Let it cool.
And clean up. Because it's very important to have a clean kitchen, so you always enjoy the cooking. When everything is cooled down, you get it out of the fridge and it's time to actually form the truffles. So everything is nice and sturdy. You wash your hands with cold water because if your hands are too warm, you will melt the chocolate instantly. So you grab a plate and you fill that up with cacao because this is what we will cover the truffles in. And then with a small spoon, you make like this. And very quickly, you form a ball. And you cover that in cacao. And then you go on to the next. And your hands get really dirty, but that's okay. Because you can always wash them. So when your truffles are done, you actually want to let them cool down again so they become nice and sturdy. And you also want to make them kind of small, bite-sized, because they melt quickly. See, making truffles is not that hard. It's just quite a lot of work and it has some waiting time. But it's not that hard, and you can actually experiment with all kinds of ingredients which you want to put into there. And so you can make it to your own liking. Which is really nice. So when you're done rolling the truffles, then it's time to clean everything up. Make sure your kitchen is clean again so you can start cooking whenever you want to again. And you can put them in small little boxes or bags if you want to give them away. Or you can put them on a plate to let people taste it. They taste great with coffee or whatever. So we just put them here. Don't eat too much of them at once, because they're really filling. They'll give you a stomach ache. So, then you clean everything up. And now it's time to get ready for Sasuke-kun. I'll go wear a dress today.
Sakura, I'm just here to see how you were doing. Doing good, I see. She wouldn't mind if I try one, right? Right? Alright, good. So good. Oh, that was delicious. Right?
Naruto, what did you do?